Come test drive the 2017 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.